Sharpening a chainsaw. To keep your chainsaw in good working condition, it should be sharpened regularly, and a Dremel rotary tool can act as an excellent sharpener. To demonstrate this, we'll be using a Dremel 10.8-volt lithium-ion tool, the chainsaw sharpening attachment, and a number 453 sharpening stone. Be sure to check your chainsaw manufacturer's guide for which size stone to use. A Dremel 400 series XPR, 300, 200, or 100 series tool can be used as well. After your sharpening stone and attachment are in place, sharpen all the teeth in one direction with the saw in the same place. Always try to take the same number of passes on each tooth. Line the tool up with the second 30-degree mark on the attachment and sharpen the teeth that run in the opposing direction. Repeat on all the rest of the teeth. Here are some more thoughts on sharpening a chainsaw. Your chainsaw attachment comes with spacers. The larger pink stones require 2, medium orange stones require 1, and the blue-gray stones do not need any. For safety, unplug electric models before sharpening and remove spark plugs from gas models. Always adjust the tension of the chain based on your manufacturer's recommendation.